Where is my baby?
Shut up!
There, that's him.
What do you want from us?
I don't want money. I want you.
This is insane. Where is my son?
If you come to me, you'll have him back.
I'll be back.
What should I do now? I can't stay here. Hey, taxi! Follow that car!
Oh my god!
Hello, love. If you want to save your baby, obey me and put the